Now let's talk about AI. In this category, we move beyond traditional CAD functionality. ARES Commander and ARES Kudo now combine two complementary approaches: AI to assist users in real time, and cloud-based automation to execute time-consuming tasks from a server. Together, they help reduce manual work, guide decision-making, and automate repetitive processes at scale. So here is our top 5. Let's start with AI applied to text inside your drawing. These AI-driven text tools were already available in ARES Commander and are now being introduced in ARES Kudo. The mText editor includes capabilities to translate, refine, correct, and summarize text directly within the drawing. You can also generate descriptions or improve clarity for notes and simple notes, depending on your workflow. These features can, for example, help if you receive a drawing with text in a language you don't understand, or if your drawing contains very long text that should be summarized. Next is A3, our AI Assistant, which continues to evolve both in ARES Commander and ARES Kudo. You can now use a single prompt in many languages to both select and modify entities. And A3 also gained the ability to perform many modifications, such as modifying or creating layers or editing entities. For example, move, scale, rotate, stretch, or hatch. A3 can also create simple entities when given parameters such as coordinates or dimensions. We are very excited about all the new things you can do with A3. And number 3, AI-driven command recommendation. In ARES Commander, AI is also used to guide users with the features. The new command recommendation analyzes your usage patterns and suggests the next most relevant commands in real time. As you walk, it adapts dynamically and highlights tools that are likely to follow your current action. This helps reduce time spent navigating the interface and helps beginners to discover features. Number 4, AI-assisted block generation. Another area where AI brings efficiency is block creation. You can now generate CAD blocks directly from the text description. By describing the component, the system shows 3 suggestions to choose from. Next, you can either refine your prompt or pick one of the suggestions. Of course, you can also use our CAD features to modify the block after. And number 5, online drawings automation, now fully integrated in ARES Commander. ARES Commander now provides direct access to the online drawings automation that was introduced in ARES Kudo last year. This allows you to run from an online server some time-consuming operations, such as file conversions, data extraction, or drawing comparisons, without opening each file manually. You can process files in batches, schedule jobs, or run recurring tasks, while continuing to work on other activities locally. For example, you can batch convert 100 DJN files to DWG, or schedule a recurring job to print your project to PDF every night. These 5 features illustrate how ARES combines AI and automation, assisting users where flexibility is needed and automating tasks where repetition can be eliminated. Make sure to watch our deep dive to learn more about all the AI features.